Remember, you are loved. You do not need to do anything for that. You are loved without condition. You are pure divine being. You love without conditions. Nobody needs to do anything for that. You love without conditions. Your love is without any limitations, limitless, connected to the divine, connected to the source in you, in yourself. There is a constant, powerful stream of love. It is nourishing you. It is expanding from your body midst into the world, mingling with everything that is. Remember, you are loved without conditions. You do not need to do anything for that. Remember, you love without conditions. No one has to do anything for that. Your love is limitless and without conditions. Divine love flows through you into the world. You are love. Your essence is love. Remember,